Are you cleaning?
Yes, cleaning house.
Are you vacuuming?
Yes, vacuuming floor.
Is that loud?
Yes, quite loud.
Do you mind?
No, not really.
Is this rug dirty?
Yes, a little.
Do you vacuum often?
Yes, every weekend.
Is cleaning fun?
Not really, honestly.
Do you enjoy it?
Sometimes, not always.
Is the house messy?
A little, yes.
Who makes the mess?
Mostly me, honestly.
Do you clean alone?
Usually yes, alone.
Can I help?
Yes, please help.
What should I do?
Dust the shelves, please.
Are those your books?
Yes, my books.
Do you read much?
Yes, quite often.
Is that couch new?
No, quite old.
Do you like it?
Yes, very comfortable.
Are those pillows new?
Yes, bought recently.
Do you like colors?
Yes, bright colors.
Is the table clean?
Not yet, sorry.
Should I wipe it?
Yes, please wipe.
Is there a mug?
Yes, right there.
Whose mug is that?
Mine from yesterday.
Should I wash it?
Yes, thank you.
Is the window clean?
Mostly needs wiping.
Do you like sunlight?
Yes, very much.
Are curtains new too?
No, quite old.
Do you like blue?
Yes, calming color.
Is the plant real?
Yes, very real.
Do you water it?
Yes, every week.
Is it growing well?
Yes, growing nicely.
Do you like plants?
Yes, very much.
Is the shelf dusty?
Yes, quite dusty.
Should I dust now?
Yes, please dust.
Do you own vacuum?
Yes, right there.
Is it heavy?
A little, yes.
Is it powerful?
Yes, very powerful.
Do you like it?
Yes, works great.
How often you clean?
Every single weekend.
Is that enough?
Yes, feels enough.
Do you clean daily?
No, just weekends.
Why just weekends?
Busy on weekdays.
Are you busy today?
A little, yes.
Do you have time?
Yes, some time.
Is cleaning tiring?
Yes, quite tiring.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, short breaks.
Is this a break?
Yes, quick break.
Do you want water?
Yes, please thanks.
Here is water.
Thank you much.
Is that better?
Yes, feels better.
Do you like breaks?
Yes, very much.
Should we continue?
Yes, let's continue.
What is next?
Cleaning the kitchen.
Is kitchen messy too?
Yes, quite messy.
Do you cook often?
Yes, quite often.
Does cooking make mess?
Yes, sometimes messy.
Do you clean after?
Yes, always after.
Is that a habit?
Yes, good habit.
Do habits matter?
Yes, very much.
Are you organized?
Yes, quite organized.
Is organization important?
Yes, extremely important.
Does it help you?
Yes, saves time.
Do you like order?
Yes, very much.
Is your room tidy?
Mostly yes. Tidy.
Do you make bed?
Yes, every morning.
Is that important too?
Yes, small habit.
Do small habits matter?
Yes, they do.
Do you feel proud?
Yes, quite proud.
Is clean home nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you feel calm?
Yes, more calm.
Does mess stress you?
Yes, a little.
Does clean help stress?
Yes, helps much.
Do you agree?
Yes, completely agree.
Is this almost done?
Yes, almost done.
How much is left?
Just the kitchen.
Will it take long?
No, quite fast.
Should we hurry?
Yes, let's hurry.
Are you tired?
A little, yes.
Do you want rest?
Yes, after this.
Is rest important?
Yes, very important.
Will you rest soon?
Yes, very soon.
What will you do?
Watch some TV.
Do you like TV?
Yes, sometimes yes.
Which shows you watch?
Comedy and nature.
Is comedy your favorite?
Yes, my favorite.
Do you laugh much?
Yes, quite often.
Is laughing healthy?
Yes, very healthy.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, quite happy.
Is home your favorite?
Yes, my favorite.
Why love home?
Feels safe, comfortable.
Is safety important?
Yes, very important.
Do you feel safe?
Yes, very safe.
Are you grateful?
Yes, very grateful.
Is gratitude important?
Yes, extremely important.
Do you thank family?
Yes, quite often.
Does family help clean?
Yes, sometimes, not always.
Should everyone help?
Yes, definitely should.
Will you ask them?
Yes, I will.
Thanks for helping.
Anytime, my friend.
House looks great.
Yes, looks amazing.